Yeah, you guys look like you.
There you go. Hey everybody, this is Dr. Matt here at Premier Chiropractic Solutions. We've got Jess in here with us today, and she's got upper back soreness and stiffness. Nothing too extreme, but just something that kind of bothers her. And her aunt has talked her into coming in here just to get a full body adjustment and to see how she'll feel afterwards. So I think she's going to do great. This is her first adjustment ever. So you ready?
Yes.
All right, you got face down. Get this set up here. Put your arms down like that. There you go. Yep. Just relax. So right now I'm just doing the spinal exam. We already did our orthopedic and neurological exam. She didn't have any crazy findings or anything, so I'll go ahead and do the adjustment. Is one side worse than the other side, Jess?
Might be my left, but not really.
Okay, yeah, that's what I was feeling. This is a little bit posterior, the ribs. These muscles are pretty tight. And this right in here is where it kind of gets a little funny sometimes. Or up a little bit.
It did a while ago, but
You haven't
I
noticed
haven't
it lately?
noticed much of anything lately.
Okay. And your right leg is a little bit short.
What?
It's just a little bit short here. Then when I lift it up, it actually gets longer. So that just means that your pelvis is misaligned.
Oh, okay.
It's what you're in your case is the sacrum has just kind of shifted a little bit like this. You feel that's a little bit tight on the right in here. Okay. All right, take a deep breath. All the way out. Just relax. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Same thing, relax. Right here. Good. Right here, deep breath. All the way out. Good. Is this sore out right here?
Not really.
Is this a little sore?
It is a little bit on the left
When I push
side.
on it? This way, relax. Good. You feel that one?
Uh-huh.
Alright. This up, lay on your side and face me this way. I'm just checking the frame. Alright. Yep. This adjustment here will get your lower back and your hips. Just like that. Yep. There you go. Okay, just relax. There you go. Other side.
Doing good, Jess?
Feels good, doesn't
It
it?
does.
Here you go. One more. Okay, good. On your back. This one here, I'm just going to give you a little tug on your ankle, okay?
Okay.
Very good.
Sound like something hot.
I think that was my ankle
That's
and my
ankle,
hip.
mhm.
Oh.
Hug like that. Lift your head up. There you go. Okay, now just relax back. There we go. And this one here is your ribs. Just the ribs. Just relax. Is that sore at all? No? Good. I'll help you out. There you go. Face this way. We'll get your shoulders.
How you doing so far?
Good.
Just like that.
The stuff I do at home is just makeshift.
You didn't even know something that could pop, huh?
Not like that.
Good. Just relax. Yep. Very good. Okay. Come on over here.
I'm gonna give her
Thanks,
Lay-
sit
yeah,
here.
sit there and lay on your back.
the granddaddy going all out.
That's right. Okay. Just relax your legs. This table will lift them up. gonna be a little bit tight, okay? Is that okay or is that too tight?
Alright.
There you go. That's good. Alright, now just relax and breathe through your nose. Keep your feet together. There you go. Did you feel that one?
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh my god.
Just relax for a second.
Where'd you feel it, yes?
I mean,
Feel
all the way down.
Yeah. There you go. Mommy's a little bit taller now.
Stand up straight.
So what'd you think?
That's great. I know Jay's gonna love it.
Help you up here. There you go. You're gonna stand like this. Face that way. Just link your fingers together. There you go. Just relax. Lean back and pinch your elbows in front. Yep. Okay. I think we already got everything. Step back a little bit. Step towards me. There you go. Put your palms out. There you go. Yep, shoulders back. Just like that. All right, Jess. How's that feel?
Great.
Is there anything you'd like to say to our YouTube viewers about your experience here?
I mean, definitely do it. It felt great, and I'm a little tender. I could lie down,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, go home
but
and
it
take
felt
a nap.
good. Yeah.
God bless
Thank
you. Thanks.
Thank
Yeah.
you.